As your dedicated product development partner, we pledge to facilitate a seamless process guided by the highest industry standards. Our focus extends to every detail: information security, quality control, and regulatory compliance. Protecting user data is our top priority. This is a commitment that we formalized by introducing an information security management system in 2022. We also obtained our ISO 27001 certificate. We don't just value data protection, we made it a fundamental part of our operations. We uphold the mantra of release early and often. We never compromise on quality. We consistently fine-tune our deployment pipelines, leveraging automated tests, vulnerability scans, error monitoring, stress testing, and other safety nets to ensure each product meets our high-quality standards. In a world where governments are increasingly regulating digital products, we stand prepared. Our team has navigated through these procedures multiple times, building data registers and privacy policies, and implementing specific controls for medical applications. We ensure that our products adhere to the latest industry standards from the outset.